We're at the pin. I think we need mega jig heads. She's not getting down at all. Okay, new plan. Whee! Ooh, I just had a hit.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. Oh, on.
Yep. Oh.
Are we snagged?
Nah, it snapped me off.
Yeah, spot lock us.
School or something down there. Yeah, that picked me off, whatever that was. Oh, the spot lock that didn't work. Look at that. Oh, I believe the whole leader. You didn't pull my leader on properly.
Doesn't feel like it's doing anything, Nev.
Oh, the spot lock that didn't work. What is it? Oh, beautiful. What a beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
Good work. First fish on the board.
Whoop, whoop. So Nev, who caught the first fish?
You did. You did. You did.
It's a long way down.
Yeah, we must have ran into a school.
Oh, that was a big. Oh, missed another. Oh, you would have had a fish on board too without your dodgy knot. Does that make you feel sad?
Sure does.
That's not good. You need to go to knot school.
No, I'm not doing it.
We just drifting, are we? Cool. Come on, Mr. Flathead, where are you? Frickin' weed. Nev, there's weed. You haven't caught a fish yet, have you? No. Oh, that's what I thought. That's not good, is it? No. Get off there, stupid weed. Oh, on. No, we'll need net because it's a flathead, so I don't like lifting them. Is it? It's got a little bit more of a head shake. No, it's a flatty.
Good work.
Whoop, whoop.
What do you reckon? About 40? Just on? Just under?
Yeah,
Nice looking one.
Yeah. First flatty for the day. Life's good again all of a sudden. The bait's gone that way. Well, something got a big hit then. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I knew it. I knew you were going to be next. Oh, it's little. Could you get much smaller? I think you can actually. Good work, Nev.
Yeah.
Oh, much better. Not really, it's the same one. Is that your one that you just had? No, yours was.
Mine was bigger.
No, yours wasn't bigger. Yours was. Oh, yours was bigger. That's embarrassing. That's all right. I still got my L plates on.
Yeah.
Nice work, buddy. But guess what? I'm not even going to try and pick you up. Net delivery service. That's where I want to be, right there.
Just chase it. I actually seen it. Just right here.
You reckon it'd brim?
Yep.
I reckon it would be, because see the shadows? Brim loves shadows. You know why? Because they get sunburnt. They don't have sunscreen. Oh yeah, good snake. Oh. Go that way. Left. That way.
Which way we're going?
That way. That way. Go that way. I snagged. Nev, I've snagged.
Sure.
Nev. It's a mangrove route. We need to go that way. It's off.
Yeah.
Good work, Nev. Oh no, back on, Nev, back on. Off, Nev. Good work, Nev. These are all mangroves. You know what that means?
I do.
Huh?
I do. They hang out on the edge of the mangrove lines.
No, going weedless. No, oh, nice flatty. Yeah, it's not ready. It's not ready. Saw the boat and said, I'm out of here. No. It's angry at you. Oh, I can't film you all day.
So you want to come in?
Whoop, whoop. Don't worry, I'll do it for you. You've lost your touch. What? It's like you've blown a valve. Probably the same size now, I see it. Got smaller as you bring it closer. Why do they all swim under the boat? Straight up. What have you got there? Look how you're holding it. Good work. I love it. Was that first cast?
It was.
Okay, I promise I'll edit that out. Yeah, look at all these little sand patches here. Oh, you're on? You didn't tell me you were on.
I didn't think I was.
Quick release. Don't be shy. Whoa! What the? Can you keep it down in the back of the bus? Oh, how'd you get it down there, Nev? What was that? I had one. I was looking at you, Nev, and my line was right here. And I'm like, oh, I'll just pull it in. Just wind it up.
Yeah.
There was a flathead on it.
Oh,
And it let go of it.
that one grabbed it and
Yeah, I'm getting caught up in the weed here. I cannot believe I missed that flathead right there. Oh, Nev. He was sitting on it. He was just licking it. I don't know if I'd hooked him and just stopped winding because I was watching yours. Clump of weed. Looks like it.
no, I got a fish on there. I could feel it going.
Okay. Show us what you got, Nev.
Grunter.
Okay. That grunter was dreaming. No one's going to beat that for smallest fish of the day. You know what that means? You get to watch the boat. Yeah. Because you caught the smallest fish.
La la la